Imagine a canvas painted with the most vivid hues of blue and white, where the sun kisses the sea at the horizon. Welcome to Santorini, a gem in the Aegean, famed not just for its dramatic views but as a quintessential romantic getaway. Here, the architecture is a spectacle in itself. Whitewashed buildings cascade down cliffs, their blue domes mirroring the skies above. Each structure, a maze of beauty offering cool refuge from the warm Greek sun, stands as a testament to unique Cycladic design. The allure extends to the palate with local cuisine that's as colorful as the sunsets. Imagine dining on fresh seafood, the catch of the day, perfectly paired with assotico, a crisp local wine, while overlooking the caldera. Couples find a special retreat here in Santorini, strolling hand in hand through charming alleyways or enjoying a sunset cruise around the island. Love seems to resonate in the very air. So, whether it's exploring ancient ruins, indulging in gastronomic delights, or simply soaking in the views from a jacuzzi overlooking the sea, Santorini promises a romance rekindled and memories unforgettable. This summer, let the island of Santorini be your picturesque escape.